Officials in Putian, a city in southern China, which is trying to contain a coronavirus outbreak, have stopped the public from leaving the area since Sunday, suspended bus and train services, and closed cinemas, bars, and other facilities. Anyone who needs to leave Putian for an essential trip must show proof of a negative COVID test within the past 48 hours. Putian is a city of 2.9 million people in the Fujian province south of Shanghai. China declared the COVID outbreak under control in early 2020, but has suffered outbreaks of the more contagious Delta variant. Authorities say most cases are traced to travelers arriving from Russia, Myanmar, and other countries. In Putian alone, 50 new infections believed to have been acquired locally were reported in the 24-hour period through midnight Sunday, according to the National Health Commission. 6 reported in Guangzhou, 1 in Xiamen, and also in Fujian. Meanwhile, elsewhere in Putian, cinemas, card rooms, gyms, tourist sites, and other facilities were ordered to be closed. Restaurants and supermarkets were told to strictly control the numbers of customers and to check for fevers. Schools were ordered to require students to wear masks in class. An hour of vaccinated residents in Sydney are benefiting from an easing of restrictions in Australia's most populous state of New South Wales. The new stay-at-home orders allow 5 people outside of the local government areas of concern to gather for outdoor recreation, which include picnics, with a limit not including children under the age of 12. New South Wales recorded more than 1,000 new local infections and 7 deaths on Monday. More than 64,000 vaccine doses were administered in the latest reporting period, with 46% of eligible people receiving their second dose in New South Wales. Meanwhile, neighboring state of Victoria recorded 473 new cases, its highest single-day tally of the outbreak. The Victorian government is concerned the transmission of the virus is occurring primarily in tea rooms at workplaces. Almost 60,000 people got their jabs in Victoria Sunday, totaling 66% of eligible Victorians receiving their first dose.
There's been some easing of restrictions after we passed that 6 million jab number, but it's way too early for any of us to get complacent, and we are concerned that an unexpected event, a super spreader event, can suddenly have a major setback. And so whilst people start enjoying some things they couldn't enjoy last week, I urge the community, please do not get complacent. Do not let your guard down, because any event that we don't anticipate or expect could see a major setback, and none of us want to see that happen. Just want to thank people, especially those who've had a change in heart, and we know that's occurred because the rates of vaccination continue to go up. But I don't want people to think, oh, I'll sit back, not get vaccinated, and then just wait and then let others do the hard work and then get everything that everybody else is getting.